Hi everyone, this is Tayson on the photo card forums. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Flying Petals third DVD set and the 2015 calendar. I just got this today. I got it through with USO and I'm really excited about it. I got two other sets too as well. A Flying Petals set and a Cotton Candy set, but this video is only going to contain the Flying Petals third DVD set. So here we go. So it's a really nice set. I don't want to ruin the sticker, but right there. Alright, so I just got the sticker off, so now let's get the contents out. I really like the bag that it came in it. It's actually super nice. Alright, there. So here are the contents of it. There's this thing that says special gifts. Here is the DVD case. Super nice with the super pretty photo of Taeyeon. Oh, so they sealed that too, great. Then there's the mini DVD of the third Japan tour with a super pretty photo of her. Then this is a drawing. This is a notebook. And this is a calendar. And this is a poster. So let's get started based on the order that it came with. So, starting with the special gifts. I'm sorry, I'm not really the best at opening. These things are really nicely sealed though, which is a good thing. Kind of hard to take out of the package though. Or maybe I'm just a class. Probably just me. Don't want to damage myself. Flying petals, why do you make it so hard? So alright, I finally managed to get everything out. So now let's see what we got. So there's this super nice fold out postcard thing. So here are the photos. Are there any on the back? Oh yes, there's photos on the back as well. They're super pretty. And Taeyeon looks adorable and cute in all these airport photos as per usual. there's the stickers that Jellywing did. Oh my god, these are super pretty. Look how good they are. And then there's like photos of that Flying Petals did. So here's the Jellywing stuff, and then here is Flying Petal stuff. I'm sorry, I guess my phone isn't focusing the best. Then they have 2 of these postcards with, here's the back. Oh god. Okay, well, save that. That's the DVD. So then we have a electromagnetic sticker. This is one version of it. Maybe the second version of it is inside of it. Oh look, so there were the 2 stacked on top of each other. So this one is her Jackie Jack, and this one is that photo that she did from a fan art. I forget what one that is. So there are these transparent photo cards. Not exactly sure how you can see them the best, but here's one. Here's 2. Here's 3. We have the Polaroids. Oh my god. They're so pretty. Oh my god, I love this photo. She looks so dorky. She looks so shocked. I love tan. Alright. So those were the many special gifts. So now let's see if we can get to the DVD open. I don't have. Alright, so now here's I'm opening up the DVD right now. Alright, so it is a 3-disc set. Here's the contents. These look really nice. Oh my god. Definitely a good set. So, yep. Oh yes. Definitely looks good. I'm excited to watch that this evening. Here is a mini DVD that they did, which boosted the set to 4 discs. It's of the 3rd Japan tour. A track list, which is Gossip Girl, Do the Catwalk, Blue Jeans, Come Butterfly, Loving Girls, and Everyday Love, all good tracks. I'm especially excited for Do the Catwalk, Blue Jeans, and Come Butterfly. Those songs just utterly slay. Now, let's see the notebook. So, it is a plain notebook, unfortunately. But the flower, it's a pretty design though, because it's like thematically flowers. Maybe a tan one would have been like nice, because I know like some extra sets have like little like tan, like little like members in the corner. That would be nice, but that's no reason to complain. Next, we have the Flying Petals 2015 calendar. So it starts with February. It is already March. So here's this. Let's see. Ooh, I dropped the poster. So here's these. Oh, I don't notice that they indicate any numbers. Alright. Alright. So this is March. And also for Tan's birthday, here's what they did. They have like a little one that says Tan's B-Day, and then a heart over it. April. May. Oh my god, this is like one of the best photos there is. She just looks so stunning in it. And this is, oh wait, did I skip? Oh wait, so this was June's. This is July's. Oh, I skipped August. This is August. This is September. This is October. This is November. This is December. This is January of 2016. Okay, so that was a nice calendar overall. Alright, and I dropped the poster on the floor. Oops, and I dropped the back too, but I'll pick that up later. Oh my god. Look at this poster. It's so stunning. Oh my god, hang on. You look like a fairy princess here. You're just too gorgeous. So anyways, that is all of the set. It's a really good set. I'm just so excited for it right now. So this is the poster. It's a nice large poster. This is a calendar. This is a mini DVD. This is a 3 DVD set. Notebook. Electromagnetic stickers. Cute design because Sam loves those. Then we have the Polaroids. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll find another one later. It's probably still in here. Yeah, I'm not really that concerned. Then we have the 3 transparent photo cards. 2 postcards, Jollyweed's character stickers, and then the folding postcard set. So yeah, I got this through with US Sewn. I pre-ordered it. The fan site did not do a stock sale, I believe. If you would try to get it, it will probably be really expensive. It might be available at eBay. I'm not really sure. But anyways, I'm really pleased with the set. I'm so glad that I pre-ordered it because it's Flying Petals and they're the best. They're like one of my favorite fan sites. And I can't wait to watch it. Bye!